hear someone say, "Don't worry, I've got full coverage," and think, wow, they must have insurance so good it even covers alien abductions. I hate to break it to you, but full coverage isn't the magical cloak of invincibility that it sounds like. In this video, I'm here to unravel the myth, and I promise no boring jargon allowed. Hey there, I'm Matt. I'm an insurance agent with a knack for turning dull topics into something you'll actually enjoy. So today we're talking about full coverage, and that term everyone throws around like it's the holy grail of car insurance. But spoiler alert, it's not. All right, so if you stick with me, you're going to learn what it really means, what it doesn't, and how to avoid an oops, I thought I was covered moment. All right, so let's break it down. Liability insurance. Now, this is the one that says, hey, I'm sorry I rear-ended you, but here's a check for your car repairs and maybe your chiropractor, but it doesn't cover your car. You see, that's someone else's problem, and specifically, it's yours. And that's where we get into collision coverage. Now, this is where your car finally gets some love. Now, whether you hit another car, a tree, or that very expensive mailbox on the corner, collision coverage steps in like, don't worry, I've got this. Now, comprehensive coverage. Now, this one's the wild card. You see, it covers your car for everything but a crash. Now, think vandalism, hailstorms, or, that raccoon who decided your car hood was his new dance floor. So full coverage, it sounds pretty solid, right? Wrong. All right, so buckle up. We're about to hit that fine print zone, all right? So here's where full coverage starts feeling more like some coverage, all right? So let me explain. Number one, routine maintenance or wear and tear. Now, insurance companies, they won't pay for your oil changes or your new tires or, that weird sound your car makes when you turn left. Yeah, that's all you, my friend. But medical bills. Now, these are specifically medical bills for you. So unless you've got personal injury protection or medical payments coverage, your medical bills are kind of like your ex, totally ignored by full coverage. Now, uninsured and underinsured drivers. All right, so you're telling me if someone else with no insurance crashes into me, I'm not automatically covered? Exactly. You're going to need uninsured motorist coverage to help handle that mess. It's kind of like a backup parachute. Don't leave home without it. Now, high deductibles. All right, so you've got coverage, but first you're going to need to cough up that $1,000 deductible or whatever it may be. It's kind of like a paywall on your own protection. So now that we've popped the bubble on full coverage, let's talk about making sure your insurance actually works for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is know your policy. So take 10 minutes and read your policy. It's not Shakespeare, but it might save you from a comedy of errors. Ask questions, and this is where don't be shy. Grill your insurance agent. Put them under the third degree microscope like you're interrogating them at a police station. Ask them, what's my deductible? Do I have coverage for natural disasters? Is my car covered if a moose charges at it? Spoiler alert, that last one's a maybe. Now, consider add-ons, all right? Now, extras like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement, they might sound a little bougie, but trust me, they're lifesavers. It's kind of like adding fries to your burger. I mean, who wouldn't do that, right? Now, the next time someone brags, I've got full coverage, you can smile and nod and think, oh, bless their little heart. Remember, the key isn't the fancy name. It's knowing what you're actually paying for. And if you're still unsure, hey, reach out. I promise I won't throw any raccoon metaphors at you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more information tips, and drop a comment with your wildest insurance question. Let's make insurance actually fun. See you next time. Now, let me know if you need any adjustments.